iron.
Hello, sir. My name is Iron, and I'm created by engineer Mohammed Mashur. Please enter your password.
3010.
Hello, Mohammed. How can I help you?
What is the status of door?
Now the door is on.
Close the door.
Okay, sir, the door is off.
What about screen?
Sorry, which device you speak about?
Screen.
This device not found. Do you want to add it?
Yes.
Now the screen is off.
What is the status of door?
Sorry, which device you speak about?
Door.
Sorry, could not recognize your voice.
Door. Door.
Now the door is off.
I want to turn off light.
Okay, sir, the light is off.
Please, Iron, I need to close the fan.
Okay, sir, the fan is off.
Thank you, Iron.
I'm happy to help you, sir.